Hello again, first grade. You are at home today doing calendar with me, so get out your binder, open it up to the calendar pages, and let's start with our song today. Here we go. Are you ready? Sing it loud from home so I can hear you all the way at school. Here we go. Leaves are falling, winter's calling. We are thankful for our friends. November, it's November once again. All right, turn the page. All right, today you are at home on an at-home day, and today is Tuesday. What number do we need to put next? Woo, did you see my board go crazy? There it is. We're back. What comes after 16? 17. Go ahead and write that in, and then let's say that all together. Here we go. Today is Tuesday, November 17th, 2020. Good job. Turn the page. And let's look outside the window today, or the door, wherever you're at, and let me know what kind of weather you're having. Today it is a bit cloudy. So I am going to draw one more cloudy piece of pie. At least here at school it is cloudy. Look out the weather, look out your window and tell me what the weather is where you are at and record it on your paper. Then when you're ready, turn to your next page that has no writing on it. I'll give you just a second. If you need to pause, you can pause to get here and then unpause me and we'll do it together. All right, today's short date, here we go. It is November, so it is the 11th month. And today is day 17. And it is still the year 2020. But today we're going to write Tuesday. So how do I spell Tuesday? Starts with a T. Remember, it's a capital T. T-U-E-S. Remember that? Two-S. Twos. And then day, D-A-Y. All right, today's a really cool day because today is day number 50. That means we are halfway to 100. 50 and 50 make 100. So today is the 50th day of school. It's pretty exciting. And remember, to find even and odd, we have to look at the number in the ones place, and today it is 0. So if I get 0 and you get 0, we just shared nothing. Do we have the same? We have exactly the same, and when we have the same, it is even. The number is even. All right, come on up here and put 50 in the stop sign. Now today is an easy one because you already know how to count by tens in the zeros, right? You know how to do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We've been doing that since kindergarten, right? So now you're going to figure out what comes before and after. What's 10 less and what's 10 more? But first we need to find 50 on our hundreds chart. It is at the end of the row with all the fours. It gets to 49 and then 50 will be on the end, right on the end. This is the row with all the zeros, okay? Now 10 less would be what 10 on top is right before 50. So what comes before a 5? A 4, right? And then it has to end with a, ooh, did you see that? My board is doing weird things again. Well, let's fix it. 40 comes before 50. That is 10 less. If we're counting by tens and we go backwards, we would say 50, 40. But if we were going forwards, we would say 40, 50, 60, because 6 comes next and it has to end with a 0 for that pattern, right? All the zeros here. So the next number would be a 7 and a 0 and an 8 and a 0. And we would keep going and going and going. You don't have to write all that down. All right, let's come down here and put 50 in our base 10 blocks. Base 10 blocks. How many 10s, how many 1s are you going to color? Show me, and I'll give you a second to get that done. a pretty easy one today, right? How many 10 sticks did you color in, or did you mark? You should have marked 5 because it says 5 tens. 5 tens, and how many cubes today, or how many ones? None. It says 0. So let's count our 10 sticks. We got to count by tens. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Did we get to 50? Yep, we have 5 tens and 0 ones today. All right, we're going to cross out that clock again. And let's try a dice math. Since we're here, I'm going to draw a dice, and you can do the same dice at home. So we have a 6 dice and a 3 dice. And you need to write your answer in the circle. So remember, you can use the counting on way. Could you just count up all the dots? You could. But do you know this is a 6? Yeah, so do I need to count them all? No, I just say 6. And then I could count on 7, 8, 9. Did you get 9 for your answer? You could also use this number line at the bottom, right? You could put your finger on 6 and go 3 more hops, and you would land on 9. We gotta remember how to add. We've been doing a lot of subtraction. We need to make sure we don't forget how to add as well. Let's go to our coins today because it is a really special day. Here we go. I'm going to move my camera over to the coin board. Now yesterday we made the number 10. So today we need to change that. We're going to make the number 11. 11 cents today. So if I have 10 and 10, how many more numbers to get to 11? If I'm at 10, the next number is 11, and that's only 1. So what coin do I need? That is a 1 coin. The penny, right? The penny is our 1 coin. So we said that 2 nickels made 10. So if I put 1 penny with it, now I have 5, 10, 11. Pretty cool, right? We said this dime was worth 10, and then I have to add 1 more to make 11. So there's 2 ways. Now I also could use how many pennies to make 11 cents? Right, 11 pennies. I could count them all up. I don't even have that many pennies on my board to do that with. So today we're going to take what we wrote yesterday and write the same thing, but we're going to just add a penny. So we have 2 nickels and a penny and a dime and a penny. So let's come back to our calendar board. Sorry for all the wiggling and jiggling here. And we're going to write our coins down here. Are you ready? So here we go. Let's put 11 cents up here so we know that's how much we're trying to make. And now we're going to draw 2 nickels. So we're going to put an N in there for nickel. That's 10. And 1 more penny. There's a P for penny makes 11. 5, 10, 11. Draw a line. Now let's do the other way. We had that 1 dime. So we're going to put a D for dime, which was a 10, and 1 more penny, a P, makes 11. 10, 11. Those are the 2 ways to make 11 cents. All right, I will see you next time back at school. Goodbye.